Okay, in the previous class slide नथिला तेणु आमे बही रु पढिथिले ताको आउ थर रिपीट कर दबा. ओके, स्लाइड तो हमर सरी जाउची, शीघ्र सिलेबस सरी जाउची. सरी गला परे पुणी आउ थरे आमे ताको रिवाइज करबा आ एग्जामिनेशन मध्ये करबा हैला. करबा कि नहीं? Yes. Today we discuss about alkyl halides and alcohols. Okay, alkyl halides or haloalkanes. Alkyl halides or haloalkanes. Maintain silent. Alkyl halides are also known as haloalkanes. Alkyl halides are compounds in which one or more hydrogen atom in an alkane have been replaced by halogen atoms. Okay, the halogen may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. Listen carefully. Then alkyl halides are presented by Rx, where R is the alkyl group, X may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. This is your methyl chloride, this is ethyl chloride, and this is propyl chloride. Okay, one chlorine atom is attached to the methyl group, ethyl group and propyl group. That's why it is methyl chloride, ethyl chloride and propyl chloride. Then types of organic halides. Alkyl halides have a halogen atom bonded to carbon-carbon single bond. If it will be bonded to carbon-carbon single bond, then it is known as alkyl halides. Then it will be named as vinyl halide when the halogen atom will be bonded to carbon-carbon double bond. This is your vinyl halide. Then aryl halides have a halogen atom X bonded to aromatic carbon bond. Okay, this is the benzene or aromatic ring. When the halogen atom, that is I, is attached to the aryl or benzene ring, it will be converted into aryl halides. Okay. Next we discuss about classification of alkyl halides. We have discussed previously or in the previous class the number of alkyl groups attached to the carbon to which the halogen is bonded determines whether an alkyl halide is primary, secondary or tertiary halides. Okay, primary or first degree alkyl halide have one R group attached to the carbon linked to the halogen. This is the carbon to which one alkyl group is attached, and to that carbon one halogen atom, that is bromine, is attached. That's why it is known as primary carbon or primary alkyl halide. If the halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon, then this alkyl halide is known as primary alkyl halide. If the halogen atom is attached to the secondary carbon, then it will be named as secondary alkyl halide. Thus, the halogen atom, when it will be attached to the tertiary carbon, the alkyl halide is known as tertiary alkyl halide. This is the difference between primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halide. Okay. Then nomenclature of alkyl halides. How we can name? In the nomenclature, in the IUPAC naming, we have already discussed. Again we are discussing. The alkyl halides are named in two ways. One is in common system and another is IUPAC system, International Union Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, in the common system, the alkyl group is attached to the halogen atom is named first. First the alkyl group is named, then the halogen atom will be named. It contains, note, the common name of alkyl halide are two word names. It contains two words. First the alkyl group, then the halogen atom. Methyl chloride, ethyl bromide. This is the way for naming the common names of the alkyl halides. Then IUPAC system, okay, International Union Pure and Applied Chemistry system. How to name in IUPAC system? First we have to select the longest carbon chain containing the halogen atom. First we have to select the longest carbon chain. Then number the carbons of the parent chain beginning at the end nearer the first substituent, whether the alkyl or halogen atom will be attached. Here the alkyl or methyl group is attached. This is counted as 2. Here the halogen atom is attached and this is counted as 2. Okay, it is indifferent. Okay, the parent beginning at the end nearest of first substituent, whether it may be alkyl or it may be halogen atoms. It may be alkyl. Here at the 2 position the methyl group is attached, but here at the 2 position the halogen atom, that is bromine atom, is attached. That's why the counting is started from this point, this end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the name of this compound is 5-bromo. At the 5 position the bromine is there, bromine atom, 5-bromo, 2,4-dimethyl heptane. This is a 7-carbon chain. Here at the 2 position the bromine atom is attached. That's why 2-bromo, 4, 5. 4 and 5 at the 4 position and 5 position 2 methyl group are attached. That's why the name of the compound is 2-bromo, 4,5-dimethyl heptane. This is a 7-carbon chain. That's why heptane. Then physical properties. We discussed the physical properties. First, solubility. All organic halides are insoluble in water and soluble in common organic solvents. Okay, it is insoluble. All types of alkyl halides are insoluble in water. It is not soluble in water, but soluble in organic solvent like chloroform, acetone. Okay. Then boiling point. The boiling point increases with increasing in molecular weight. Okay. Therefore, the boiling point increases in the order. Chlorine is smaller than chlorine, then smaller than bromine, then smaller than iodine. Okay. The boiling point of iodine is more, then bromine, then chlorine, because the boiling point increases with increase in molecular weight. Then electronegativity is order. Electronegativity is highest in case of chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. In the periodic table, if we go from top to bottom, the topmost elements are highly electronegative and the bottommost elements are less electronegative. Okay. Then bond length order. Carbon fluorine is smaller than carbon chlorine, then smaller than carbon bromine and carbon iodine. Okay. This is highly electronegative. That's why the bond length is very small. Then the bond length increases likewise. Carbon fluorine, carbon chlorine, carbon bromine and carbon iodine. Okay. Then alkyl halides are weak polar molecules. Alkyl halides are weak polar molecule. What is polarity? In a molecule, if there is in the 2 ends delta positive and delta negative charges are there, then it is known as polarity of a molecule. Then density compared to the molecular weight. Density order is fluorine is smaller than chlorine, then smaller than bromine, then iodine. Then uses of alkyl halides. Solvent. It is